3, 2, 1. Go. Earth, our only home. A planet alive with forests that breathe, oceans that move with life, endless skies, and millions of species that share it with us. But by the year 2050, this world may not look, or feel, the same. Climate change is no longer a distant warning. It is reshaping our future, altering the balance of nature, and challenging the way we live. The question is, what kind of world will we step into, just 25 years from now? Scientists predict that global temperatures could rise by 1.5 to 2.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels by the year 2050. At first, that may sound small, but the impact will be enormous. Cities will face longer, deadlier heat waves, pushing human health and infrastructure to the limit. Glaciers will melt faster, swelling oceans and raising sea levels, threatening coastal communities. Fertile lands may dry and crack, turning into barren deserts where crops once thrived. And the hottest years we know today, the ones that break records, could become the new normal by 2050. A world reshaped, not decades away, but within our own lifetimes. Oceans will absorb more heat, becoming warmer and increasingly acidic. By 2050, many of the world's coral reefs could vanish forever. Rising seas may endanger great coastal cities like Mumbai, New York, and Jakarta. And millions of people could be forced to leave their homes as flooding reshapes the map of human life. Expect more extremes in the world we are moving toward. Stronger and more destructive cyclones and hurricanes will rise from warming oceans, carrying winds that can flatten entire communities and rains that will not stop. Sudden floods will follow heavy downpours, sweeping through streets, homes, and farmlands with little warning, leaving behind destruction that takes years to rebuild. Forests and grasslands, once vibrant with life, may burn more often as wildfires spread faster and farther, fueled by heat and drought. Smoke may darken skies, and ecosystems could vanish in a matter of days. These disasters will not be rare or distant events. They will be woven into the fabric of daily life, testing our cities, our health, our food, and our resilience. By 2050, the question will not be whether these extremes happen, but how prepared we are to face them, and whether humanity can still choose a safer path forward. By 2050, food security could be under significant threat. Rising temperatures may cause crops to fail in the hottest regions, leaving millions at risk of hunger and malnutrition. Meanwhile, pests and diseases will spread more quickly, affecting both plants and livestock, making it harder to grow and sustain food supplies. Some animal species may vanish completely, unable to adapt to the rapidly changing environment, disrupting ecosystems and the balance of life that we rely on. Human health will face growing challenges as well. Heat-related illnesses may become more frequent, and polluted air will make every breath more difficult, especially in urban areas. The effects will ripple across communities, economies, and entire nations. What we eat, the animals we depend on, and the very air we breathe will all be impacted. The choices we make now will determine whether humanity can thrive or struggle to survive in the decades to come. But the future is not written yet. If we switch to clean energy, protect our forests, and reduce pollution, we can slow down climate change. By 2050, Earth could still be a green, thriving home. The choice is ours, crisis or sustainability. What will you choose for tomorrow? The climate of Earth until 2050 will not be determined by science alone, but by us. Every choice we make today, from the energy we use, to the forests we protect, to the pollution we reduce, will shape the world our children inherit. Rising temperatures, melting ice, extreme weather, and shifting ecosystems are not inevitable. They are the result of the actions we take, or fail to take. The future is in our hands. The Earth's climate is not just numbers on a chart, it is life itself, and its fate depends on the decisions we make today, for the generations of tomorrow. Together we can change the story.